Our next honoree, the MPT series 45 megapixel 1.4-inch machine vision lenses from Computar Optics Group. MPT series 45 megapixel 1.4-inch C-mount machine vision lenses are compact, lightweight, and engineered to optimize the capabilities of the latest industrial CMOS image sensors. The floating design provides performance at any working distance. The lenses feature high-level aberration correction and centering alignment technology. The positioning of the high refractive index glass and low partial dispersion glass at crucial locations, the field curvature and astigmatism are comprehensively corrected. Our next silver level honoree is the LensConnect remote control plug-and-play lens series from Computar Optics Group. LensConnect motorized machine vision C-mount lenses enable remote mobile lens management. The lens attains its power supply and communication control with one cable via USB interface. The setup software is compatible with Windows or Linux, and the operation program is open source. I2C interface is also available to allow camera manufacturers a direct connection to the lens.